How did you actually start the business? What point did you realize, hey, you know what? I'm actually going to franchise this. So many people have great businesses, but they don't know about franchising. What would you tell people out there that maybe have a business, but they have no idea about franchising? What's the last thing you'd want to tell any entrepreneur out there that's actually thinking about franchising a business?
Hi, I'm Ivana. I'm the founder of Sugar and Spoon. We're a safe-to-eat cookie dough company located in Seattle, and we operate out of 5 mobile units.
Wow, so tell me, how did you actually start the business?
That's a really good question. We started the business out of a school project, actually, out of the University of Washington. Go Dogs. It was supposed to be just a school project. We were selling cookie dough off of a table in the middle of campus, and then my business partner said, okay, I think we've got something here. So the day we graduated, we bought a food truck off Craigslist, and the rest is history. We've been selling cookie dough out of food trucks for 5 years now.
At what point did you realize, hey, you know what? I'm actually going to franchise this?
Well, we actually had a friend who franchised their business. They're a pizza restaurant and they also have food trucks. And they came to us and they said, you know, your business is so franchisable, you should really consider this. So that's why we're here learning about it and hopefully something that we're going to do in the future.
So many people have great businesses, but they don't know about franchising, right? What would you tell people out there that maybe have a business, but they have no idea about franchising?
So far from what I've learned, as long as you have the systems and the tools and you have something that can be replicated easily and you have that brand and product, you can franchise. So I think what I thought is like, oh my gosh, I have to be this crazy new novel idea, which cookie dough is definitely different, but I think the systems we have in place and the brand is really, really important. And I know that it can be replicated, so I think it'd be a great business to franchise.
Have you always had the entrepreneurial spirit in you?
Well, considering I started this out of college, I would say yes. I've done nothing other than cookie dough, so I would say I do have an entrepreneurial spirit. I can't imagine working, you know, the normal job. I have a bunch of friends who, no shame, they have like the great Amazon, Microsoft jobs working in Seattle. But I just don't think it's me. So I think, yeah, I think I'll always be an entrepreneur.
I love that. What's your philosophy?
Do what you love and do it good and have fun. There's gonna be a lot of bumps along the road. One of our mentors said, being an entrepreneur is like waking up every morning and knowing that you're gonna get punched, but you don't know where the punch is coming from. In the beginning of being an entrepreneur, you're like scared of the punch, you're running away from it, but by the end, you're embracing the punch. So I like to embrace the punch, know it's coming, and have fun while doing it.
You know, your mindset, your philosophy as an entrepreneur is one of the greatest assets.
Totally.
Right.
You need a good mindset or you can't survive being an entrepreneur. It's really hard. It's not for the weak. You gotta have grit, but yeah, absolutely.
How you develop that grit, right? Like a lot of people out there, they have a business, you know, they don't have that grit, and fear gets the best out of them. And entrepreneurs need more support and ways to, you know, think, let's get out of the defensive mindset and let's go on the offensive side.
That's
right?
Such a great question. Yes. Yeah. Well, I think grit you do have in you. I think you have to have grit in you, but I think it also can be learned. I think like being hungry and wanting it and having a goal and running towards that goal and running towards the fear is really important, and having grit.
I love that.
You just kind of have to have it.
I love it. Totally, 100%. What are your future goals? Where do you see the business in the next like 3 to 5 years?
If we do franchise, I hope to be in like the 100 plus mark. I think that's where I would really love to see our brand. I'd love to see our brand in warm, sunny cities other than Seattle. No shame to Seattle. Love it. But I think our brand and our product would do so great in states like California, Florida, Texas. So I'd love to see us nationwide.
Tell me about some of your personal hobbies you like to do in your free time.
I love spending time with my family. Family is really important to me. My business partners, the people around me are really important. So whatever it is, as long as I'm with the people I love, that's what I love doing. I love being also in sunny places. I love traveling. I love cooking. I love trying new things. Recently pickleball, but I think that's just because I'm getting older.
What's the last thing you'd want to tell any entrepreneur out there that's actually thinking about franchising their business? A last message for them.
I would say connect with other people who have franchised their business and squeeze everything you can out of them and learn, especially about your type of brand or product or service. Like talk to someone, network, and see if it's something you really want to do, and then connect yourself with the right people to get it done. Because it's definitely a process, and I think there's a bunch of ways to go about it, but I think if you get it done right from the beginning, it can be a really awesome business.
I love that. You're a superstar.
Oh,
I love
you.
it. Congratulations on all your success. Thank you.
you.
That was great.